Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making immediate, focused checks. Ensure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection, and plug in power or charge above 50% to avoid shutdowns. Once done, create a quick backup or system restore point so you can revert if the update misbehaves. Next, close non-essential apps and note any pending restarts. This prevents conflicts and saves time. Start the updater or installer now, because these prerequisites let the process run smoothly without wasting time on obvious setup steps. Once the updater begins, troubleshoot mid-process issues methodically. Clear the update cache or temp folders to remove corrupted packages and run any provided cleanup utility. If the installer stalls, make sure you run it as administrator so permissions don't block file writes. Also, temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewalls that commonly quarantine installers. Re-enable them after the update completes. If downloads fail, switch to a wired connection or retry the download queue. These steps you'll finish by restarting the device to finalize file replacements and then verify the installed version in the system's About or Update History area. Make sure to re-enable antivirus and firewall, then test critical apps to confirm behavior. If something looks wrong, restore the system point you made earlier and collect update logs or error codes before retrying. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the updater repeatedly fails, gather logs and contact support or use the restore point. This preserves your system while diagnosing deeper issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.